All right, so in this video, I'm going to give you a very brief tour of our course website and to show you where everything is and how things work. So let's share the screen. And all right, now I'm doing this. I'm impersonating a demo student right here. So this is what you should see when you log on into our course on the first day. This is Math 128. And here's the announcements, and I'll be constantly updating the announcements. So you should, since this is the first thing you see, you should read them. Then you'll see the next thing is the content browser, where all the modules are listed, and you want to go to week 1 and click on that. That's where your actual study plan for the week is going to be. These other modules, the course syllabus, the video lectures, the lecture notes and worksheets, those are sort of storage. You don't necessarily, you can go there and look them up, but there will be links within your weekly module that will take you to them. Below that is the link for my office hours, and it's on Zoom. There's also my email. So I should be there between 1 and 2 every Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If I'm not there for some reason, I will be by my email. Just send me an email and I'll be able to meet with you on Zoom in a few seconds. Below that is the My Math Lab link. Okay, this is what you want to do. Use this link to get into My Math Lab when you register, and also when you do your homework, you're going to use this. It will take you there directly. Below that, if you've never used Western Online before, there's some student orientation that you can click on this link and follow, and I'll follow. It'll give you an orientation, and I think that's about it on the front page. So when you're get ready to work, you'll click on week 1, and you'll see there's a checklist. So click on the week 1 checklist. And then that will give you a list of all the things you need to do for the week. Like the first thing I tell you to do is to print a copy of the course syllabus, and I give you a link for that. Next, when I ask you to look at some videos, I give you a link for that. Set up my Math Lab account. The next thing I ask you to do is for extra credit is to introduce yourself in the discussion forum. You can click on that link here. There's also another way you can do that. You could also go to the communications tab, and it'll take you and go to discussions, and that would work as well. But here, the thing here is you want to start a new thread before you can reply to any other thread. So you can just click on that and type the title of your thread, which in this case you want it to be your name, which will be demo student. And you can just say hi. Okay, and then post that, and that will be that. So then after that, you can respond to other threads if you want. Let's go back. Okay, the next one is it asks you to take a quiz. You could click on this. It says quiz 0 requires lockdown browser. If you click on that, that'll take you to your quiz. It's actually this demo student already did it, so I will go back. There's another worksheet I'm asking you to work on, and then I'll ask you to if you want to print the notes for this particular section, you can just click on that. That will take you to the notes for this, and I recommend that you print these out. It'll say if you want to write all this stuff down while you're watching the video, that's fine, but you don't have to. And then the videos, the videos for the corresponding lecture will be right here. And they're on YouTube, but you don't have to go to the YouTube website. You can just click it right here. right? And so this is the, and then I asked you to take a real legitimate quiz, quiz 1, which I notice that there are due dates in cases when there are due dates to be given. And just a couple other things. If you wanted to see the quizzes directly, just go to assessments and click on quizzes, and that will have the list of quizzes to be taken right there. And this is what you'll see. Just go, so you click on that, and you can also. There will be some times where I'll ask you to turn in a homework assignment. Well, a take-home quiz. So you'll just go to assignments. Go to the assignments there. I haven't asked you to submit any assignments, but this is where you would submit something that you write down, like the answers to a quiz or an exam. Okay, and then there is again, this is where your grades will be, or the grades. And if you want to go to the forum directly, you can just go to discussions, and then you'll see the thread that you just wrote in this forum. So that is basically all I have for this video. It shouldn't be very hard to get the hang of it. One other thing is that if you want to go to just directly to look them up without having to go through the checklist, like if you want to see get the lecture notes, you can just go to the lecture notes and hit chapter 1, and then just write whatever section you want. And same thing with the video lectures. They're all listed according to the chapter. So hopefully this helps. And again, if you have any questions, just email me. Thank you.